Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comic going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I'm back with another video for you, and today, as you can see, it's a little different on my face. I have a makeup group challenge collab thing going on. If you follow me on social media, you can see all the other ladies that I did this with and everything else. But this is the look that I came up with. Our theme was the Jungle Book, and the first thing I thought was like a cheetah or a tiger, and I really went towards the tiger, as you can see. But I'm very proud of how this turned out. So if you guys want to just follow me on my journey today on creating this look, or you for some reason are going for a tiger look or just want a makeup look like this, don't know what to do for Halloween, then definitely keep on watching and learn how to create this tiger makeup look on my face. So first, I am going to be using the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and this is just going to be for my eyes, really. I'm going to go in with this Morphe G24 brush and go in with Extra Bitter and just put this as my transition color just to start out my look. And I'm kind of winging it out over here because I want more of like a cat eye effect, just so I can elongate my eyes. Going in with the other side, I'm doing the exact same thing. With my NYX professional makeup brush, and it's just a blending brush, I'm going in with Lockout in the same palette. This is just a dark brown shade, and kind of just putting this in my crease just to darken it up. And then I'm putting this on my outer corner just to darken out the outer V and winging it out like I have been. And it's going to be messy. Kind of not being perfectionist because it's not really going to be a professional look. It's more of just like costume type look, if that makes sense. And I'm just blending to my liking. And then going in with the ColourPop just flat fluffy brush, I'm going in with Lethal, that is a purple brown shade, and just kind of putting this in my outer V. And I'm going to blend it out with the same NYX brush that I was using before with nothing on it, and just blend it. And I'm kind of just actually putting this all over my lid, just making this a dark smoky eye, almost like a brown smoky eye. And why I'm not using a black for this, I don't want it to be a harsh black. I just kind of want it to be a soft black, if that, or like a soft, subtle smoky eye almost. I think that should be good for that. Why do I feel like this is really bright or really dark? Probably not. So for the under eye, this is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to, not different, but I'm going in with the Shadow Smudger by Beauty Strokes, and I want to go in with Extra Bitter again and go under my eye. And I'm kind of only going halfway. And make sure I'm connecting it to the eyeshadow up top. And then smudging it out. And then I want to go in with an angled brush and going in with a black and kind of, this will be, I feel like not good enough. And going in with this smudger thing that I was using under my eyes earlier, I'm just kind of getting extra bitter and blending it into the black I did, just to make it look more natural and like blend it together. I think for the eyes, I'm pretty much good on that. I didn't want to do a lot. I want my face to be the center of attention for this. I'm actually gonna change out my battery and zoom out, and we'll start on my face. So for my face, I need to bronze it up a little bit. I'm using the Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula and really kind of focusing this right here on my cheekbones because I want more of a snatched look. And then I really want to shape out my nose, so I'm just using this brush. It's just like a round dome brush, and I'm making my nose a little bit wider than I normally would and contour down my nose because cats have wider nose. So you want to blend it. It doesn't have to be perfectly blended. And now going in with my Park Avenue Princess by Tarte, I'm going in with Crown and really snatching up my cheekbones. Just a little bit right here and a little bit right here. And then I want to make my face a little bit more orangey, going in with this really fluffy Morphe brush and going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil and going in with this orange shade and kind of doing a swirling motion just to bring it more of an orangey tone, be an Oompa Loompa. And you can bring it more up here where there's not much going on, just so it can look orangey. And I'm doing circle motions just so it's blended a little bit better. And blend it up here. Because as you know, tigers are more orange than anything. And some orange right here. So I want to make my cheekbones a little bit more snatched, so I'm going in with this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette in Sombre and just using this Velvet Luxe by It Cosmetics sculpting brush and really go right here. And with that brush I was using to put the orange on my face, just blending. And I want to put a little bit more yellow kind of around the highlight almost. And so I'm going in with the Take Me Back to Brazil and going in with that yellow color that's right next to it and this Morphe M514 brush. And kind of, I don't want it to be kind of kind of where you would highlight. I'm kind of using that as a highlight and kind of outlining those. So you always want to go and blend. So it's like a blending type technique. I'm gonna put it a little bit right here too. So I'm going in with the Nikki Tutorials Ivy and go down my nose because I want it white. And I'm just kind of blending it together. I'm just using my brush that I usually use to set my face and using the white. As you can tell, I'm just kind of going as I please just to see what will come out of it. So I'm going back to my eyes. I'm going like back and forth. I'm just going to curl my lashes. Going in with my tattoo liner and just putting a line on it, a thin line. So now that I have like a thin line, I'm going back in with the Take Me Back to Brazil. And I want to make a like thin line, so I'm just going in with the BH Cosmetics number 11 from the Bronze palette, and I'm just making a thin line, but it's just gonna be like a wing, but it's like a smudged wing. I'm gonna make a triangle. And I'm blending it in. I'm going back in with the yellow and outlining. So everywhere pretty much I'm just outlining with yellow from the orange. And then blending, so putting stuff back on that brush I was using for the orange and blending them together. I think that should be good. Just gonna put some dots, and I think I should start drawing on my stripes. I don't like want to put on dots. I think I'm just gonna start putting on stripes. Now that I have some stripes, I'm going to kind of blend some fur into it to make it look a little bit more realistic, I guess you could say. So I'm going in with a flat brush. So I think that should be good. I'm just going to finish off with some mascara. I'm just using Worth the Hype by NYX. This is the final look. I really like how this turned out. I didn't expect it to turn out so well. But yeah, this was just something I had. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I really think this turned out very well. I was kind of scared how this would turn out because I didn't really know what to do. But I'm really proud of this and love how it looks and thought it would be really fun to film. And I'm so glad I filmed it for you guys and I got this new palette. Definitely going to have more creative looks up on my channel because of this palette. Let me know what you guys think down below. But other than that, I think that is it for this video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And also hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and sometimes Saturdays as well. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.